Hello everyone, I'm Annie from Foshan Hero Metal Company. Here I would like to show you our wall panel profile to you. Wall panel profile is a versatile and durable product that offers many benefits for builders. Here are some advantages I would like to show you. Number one, easy to install. Wall panel profile is one of the easiest building materials to install, thanks to its high lightweight. Number two, weather resistant. Wall panel profile is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions such like rain, snow, and wind. It is also resistant to UV rays, which helps to prevent the color from fading over time. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us at any time.